Scorpio. This is a Scorpio reading. Bonus reading for the month of June. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Scorpio? This is a Scorpio card. Meron kang nabalitaan na hindi mo nagustuhan. The Three of Wands is like a bad news or a good news in delay. Meron kang hinihintay na balita na maaring hindi mo pa natatanggap, nagkakaroon ng delays, or may natanggap kang hindi mo gustong news. Right now, you're focusing on your own energy, the Scorpio energy, the Death card energy, which is a positive transformation. Because marami nang nangyari in the past na hanggang ngayon, you're carrying the baggages of the past. Na kailangan mo nang i-let go at iwanan where it belongs. Maraming overthinking na nangyari at meron kang conversation na gustong gawin because nagdadala ng sadness sa'yo yung situation. I feel meron isang tao na nagkaroon ng tampuhan, hindi mo nakakausap right now. So parang iniisip mo na parang kailangan ng clarity sa situation. Alright? Scorpio. Scorpio bonus reading for the month of June. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Let's see. Happy family. Right now, parang may ano din sa family, no? May mga chismis, may mga siraan. Talagang ang Scorpio energy is about transformation, ano? Ang daming tinuturo sa'yo na like how to be better every time. If this is not really family, ito yung mga taong itinuring mo ng pamilya. Could be kaibigan. You could be dealing with a Taurus or an Aquarian. Nag-iisip ka kung anong plano mo right now, something stable that involves family, relationship, okay, kasal, or it's like yung family mo. Meron kang mga nakikita na family drama right now na ikinakalungkot mo. Woo! Same old cycle. I feel you're dealing with someone na mahirap makasundo. Could also be dealing with a Libra. What's this? Libra card. May isang energy ng babae sa paligid mo. Hindi ko masyadong gusto. Kung naniniwala ka sa parang may krus ang dila, itong babae na to, pag nagalit, may tendency na magaling mag-manifest, no? So, iwasan mo tong tao na to kasi minsan wala sa hulog yung galit niya eh. Bigla siyang nagsasalita ng hindi maganda na nagkokos ng hindi magandang energy na maaring naapektuhan yung manifestations, okay? Nagkakaroon ng hindi magandang energy sa bahay. Right now, the masculine here is trying to work on the financial stability. Lahat naman ng kaya niyang ibigay, no? Sa abot ng makakaya, yun, no? Kasi iba-iba yung limitasyon natin based dun sa chapter ng life natin, sa connection, yung health conditions, you know? But, ito na yung best ng masculine right now. Okay? But, the masculine feels na parang kulang talaga kung ano yung effort at kung ano yung kaya niyang ibigay for the family or the relationship. Nagdala ng disappointment, broken heart, someone feels defeated about this connection. I feel meron din kulang sa suporta, no, na parang this should be a team, especially kapag family. But kahit maraming doubts right now kung ano pa yung next, kung magiging maayos ba to or not, kapit lang, no, nandyan pa rin. Let's see. Woo! The reason for the reading is maraming minanifest about financial stability, nagkaroon ng mga away-bate energy in this partnership, in this business or love partnership. May mga bagay na tinanggap. Sige, kung hindi pa maayos yan right now, then it is what it is. Okay? So, bagay na tinanggap, kung ano lang yung kayang ibigay. Do talagang merong ina-admit naman na kung sino yung like may kakulangan, no, kung ano yung kayang ibigay sa family or sa relationship, ginagawa naman yung lahat ng makakaya. Okay? So may prayers and manifestations. Ano ba yung magandang gawin? New beginning, new perspective, new business, jumping into a new venture, partnership, kung ano man to. Maraming ipinagdadasal ko ano pa yung mga kayang gawin, no? New start, fresh beginning. Kasi talagang, again, the energy of the masculine is here. Yung blessings niya, no, with regards to financial stability, medyo challenge. But kung makikita mo kasi yung energy, how could this masculine expect a better like income if the masculine is not embracing yung positive changes, and probably parang kinakatok na siya ng guides na meron kang dapat gawin na bago. Kasi if you're doing the same business or same trabaho or same effort, then you should not be expecting a bigger income, you know? Right now, Scorpio, you're here in the energy of partnership talaga. And this is also like embracing yourself then, acknowledging the good and the bad about yourself, and you're going towards yung progress mo. Okay? Marami kang pangarap para sa family, long-term plans. And I can see here that your person is feeling ng person mo. If this is the feminine, she's thinking na parang i-prioritize yung role niya as a mom, nurturing, caring, but talagang merong mga habits na hindi tama for this connection na dapat na rin matanggal. Kaya din siguro kailangan ng new beginning, a new perspective, a new way of thinking, especially sa side ng masculine. Okay? Siguro, I feel, no, there's an energy here of gusto na rin ng Empress na to move, to lean more on the traditional role na maalagaan yung bata, magstay sa bahay, you know, baka may kailangang i-attend na something important about bahay or mga bata, na kaya siguro nagdo-double time din yung masculine, but I can see naman yung effort ng masculine to bring home na mas magandang income. So Scorpio, I feel here na talagang natetest yung patience mo sa mga connections na to. And naiinip ka na rin sa mga bagay na minamanifest mo para sa family. Mahal mo yung family mo. And I feel there's a father figure here na kailangan niya ng suporta at taong like humahanga or nagmamahal, kasi yun, no, na minsan kailangan talaga natin yung someone sa tabi natin para mas inspired tayo to do yung mga pangarap natin sa buhay. Okay? So, in the next 3 months, I feel meron din ditong you might also be dealing with Gemini, Capricorn, and Leo. Okay, so in the next 3 months, you'll find the strength to make a decision. Actually, kahit very challenging tong love situation na to, nandyan pa rin, mahal nyo yung isa't isa, nandyan kayo to stay together, but merong kailangang i-balance na self-love and, you know, the give and take dynamics here. You're trying to avoid conflict as much as you can sa partnership na to. Kahit medyo hard work, no, na magkaroon ng harmony. And I feel may tandem naman kayong dalawa towards mas maginhawang buhay together, planning the future. Okay? Lahat ng mga pangarap nyo, itutuloy nyo pa rin na to move it forward. Tatanggalin nyo yung mga anxiety at mas magfo-focus kayo dun sa energy, like the solution-oriented energy. Marami kayong pag-uusapan because nandun pa rin yung realization nyo in the next 3 months that you really need each other to make your dreams, you know, come true. Okay? And that would be the Scorpio reading for the month, bonus reading for the month of June. To balance the energy in this connection, I suggest for you to have this rose quartz to balance your heart chakra and to attract harmonious relationships And if you're attracting a new love, yeah, rose quartz would be good for you. And then for abundance, this is the Brazilian citrine. And of course, to protect